Hello, good evening all. Ashok, Jay, Jeet, Prashant, Sunita, sorry, Shweta, Ganesh, Chinmay, Raja, Jayant, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you, everyone?
Fine, sir.
Good. So many of you has completed the. Just a minute, I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible? Can you see my
Yes,
screen
sir.
now? Yes. So many of you has completed the close volume. Okay. Good. Akash, Akash, Ashok. Ashok, what is the issue in this area?
Uh, Sir, I provide their plate, then match it. Please.
Okay, good. Okay, Shweta, good. Shweta not completed the bolster area?
No, sir. I will complete today.
Okay. Shweta, you got idea how to remove this patch?
Yes, sir. I
Okay.
will watch it. Recording खत्म मैंने तो.
Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, any doubt? Any questions? Yes, Prashant, Ashok, Shweta, Sachin, Chinmay, any questions? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. What is the
No, sir.
material? What is the material for foam?
PU, sir.
What is PU?
PU.
Polyurethane. Okay. Okay. What is this patch? We call it as the area.
Insert. Insert.
This one
Insert. Front insert.
and this one.
Bolster. Bolster.
Is it a IB bolster or OB bolster? If we check with the structure,
IB.
why IB?
IB.
Why IB?
Because it is driver seat, sir.
Okay, it is driver seat. Is it a driver or passenger? Suppose it is non-Indian OEM car, then
It's a passenger seat.
yeah, it's a passenger. Good. Okay, so for you, you will not use the mirror command. Okay, for the bolster, you will have to create a new bolster. Why? Because it is completely different. If I show you the style, right click N, this is the style. Okay, if I had this, okay. Here you can see the bolster, IB and OB bolster is completely different. So what is your job? Your job is to create the OB bolster again. For now, shall I use mirror? Is it okay if I use mirror command for the bolster? Yeah,
No,
or,
sir.
or
No,
shall
sir.
or shall I create a new bolster? Will you create the OB bolster on
Yes.
your side? For now, I will what I will do, I will just use the mirror command. Okay? Yes or no? Any issue like this? Yes, Ashok, Chinmay. I just use mirror command. Let me hide this one. Okay. Now, again, let me hide this one. Now, let's show Can anyone share the screenshot? What is the screenshot? The second task was Ganesh.
Brushing line.
Design B tool, B cutter. Okay, let's design the B cutter. Okay, now. Okay, now we will need the structure. Okay, Control S. Okay, let's hide this one. Alt I B. Rename this as Final B tool. Then Alt I B. Let's design first body. Sir, how to design the first body? Position sketch. Here I can say this is my MTD. Okay, but suppose if I want to draw any sketches, what I will do, I will draw on the blue axis system. Why? Because it is parallel to the tracks. So position sketch, this one on this plane, swap, say okay. Okay, then low light. Okay, before low light, what I will do, I will use the cut section, this one. Then usual, what I will do, I will just select this circle and I will project it. This one, this top arc, this top arc. Okay, then this one, use project. Okay, done. Then normal view, low light, select all, right click, isolate, double click on trim. See, I will just extend this one, extend this line till this one, extend this line, okay, till this one. Here I can see I can project another tube again. This one, escape, escape. Just project this one. Yes or no? Can I project this tube as well? Instead of this, I will select this one. Project, low light, right click, isolate, normal view, trim. And from the bottom side, what I will do, just draw a rectangle, rough rectangle like this. And I will just close it. Okay. Here, can you see the rear tube? Yes or no? Can you see the rear tube? Yes, no,
Yes, sir.
quickly. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
what I will do, just I will draw a horizontal line like this. So what should be this line dimension? Put it in usual. Here I can see the rear tube. I will select this one. I will use intersection. Again low light, normal view, right click, isolate, put it in construction, select this, fix it. This should be, let's say 510 mm. Okay, let's make it 10 mm. So why it is 10 mm? I will explain. Okay, just use trim like this, like this one and this one. Can I delete upper line? Got it? See what we had done. If I put it in usual, here you can see we have drawn one sketch which is tangent to the suspension wire. Yes or no? See, is it tangent? Yes or no? Shall I change the color? I think I can change the color because these are small surfaces.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Sachin. Yes.
Sir, if there is more than one row of spring,
Hmm.
then line should align to which one?
We will do this because here you can see this is a center wire, and again here you can see the second wire. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I will design the second body. You got the first body, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So exit. Okay. Again, just keep this body, extend this body on the rear side. Exit. What I will do now? Pad. I will work only on half side. See. Reverse. Sorry. Let's say reverse again. Where is my limit one? Please mute. No background noise. Yes. Okay. Can you see? This suspension wire is matching with our top faces, yes or no? Yes, clear? Chinmay,
Yes, sir.
Prashant, Jan, Ganesh, okay. Now, Sachin, your question. So, what about this wire then? This wire is not in contact with our this body. It is not covered. So, what I will do, I will again add a body, Alt type B. Again, I will draw the sketch on this plane, position sketch, swap, say okay. Again, cut section. Now, this time, what I will do, I will project this curve. One, I think one will be sufficient. Yeah, one will be sufficient. Project, low light, isolate, normal view. Okay. And what I will do, I will just show this sketch one. This is my sketch one. Okay. Again, put it in usual. See, every time our low rear and lower limit will be same. Okay. Most of the time we will keep this same. So I will project these two edges from our sketch, not from the 3D. Okay. Again, for now, see what I will do. I will just select the top edge as well as the front edge. So how to decide which faces you are projecting? Automatically, once after your practice, you will get ideas of why we are projecting this one. Okay. Just for now, just follow the step. Okay. What we are doing, you will get idea after some time. Okay. Where is trim command? This one. One, two, exit, pad. Shall I pad till this limit? No. I will just cover the suspension wire. That's it. Reverse direction. Okay. Sachin, got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Control S. Now, if I hide this one, no use of style for now. Today we will not use style. We will work on the structure. Right click N. If you notice now, in the first body, we have covered this suspension area with this rectangular wire. We have covered. In the second body, we have covered this area. Okay. So why it is not tangent? Because I think we have done some mistake. Okay. Otherwise, it is okay. Why? Because the if I check what is the clash will be of this with this one. Clash will be of zero point 0.5. So it is okay. Yeah, no issue. Otherwise, we can what we can do, we can remove this clash. No issue. So control is done with this one. Now For the rear tube, can I draw a new body? Alt IB again. Position sketch on the blue plane. Swap, say OK. Cut section. Here, can you see? Again, I will select this patch, this two patch on which my foam will rest. Again, I will use intersection, low light, normal view. I can delete, I think I can delete one. Why? Because I will create a circle. Isolate. I will just use trim like this. Right click, fix. I will draw one rectangle, a rough rectangle like this. This and this should be tangent. This and this should be tangent. Trim this with this one, this with this one. Exit. Again, I will use pad, extend. Okay, here we have step. Okay, so what I will do, I will extend till this limit like this. Okay, and again, what I will do, see, again, Alt IB. Can I copy this sketch, same sketch? Yes or no? Here you can see we have drawn one sketch. I can just copy this sketch, right click, copy. I can paste in this one, and I will just double click on this sketch. I will delete this circle and I will add the rear side circle. So which one? Low light, sorry, usual, this one. What is happening? Okay, I can use the intersect command. Just a minute. Yeah, this one. Say project. Again, low light, normal view. Again, right click, isolate. Close the circle. Where is the command? Close the circle in trim. This one. Right click, fix. Constraint. This with this one. Right click, tangency. This with this one. Right click, tangency. Now, again, trim this till this one. This till this one. I can delete the inner circle. Exit. Now again I will use pad. Reverse. Say okay. Tell me, is it okay or not okay? Any doubt till this point? Control S. What we had done, we had designed four bodies. Body 8 means just covered the center suspension. Body 9 means just we covered this suspension. Body 10 means we have covered from this till this one upper surface. In body 11, I have covered this small patch. Any doubt? So what should we do with this body? Define final and just add one by one. Add in final. Right click, again add. See, we are adding all bodies in final B tool. Add this one. Again add this one. Control S. Okay, tell me any doubt till this point quickly. Shall I repeat any step? Subhajit clear? Sachin, Shweta,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Prashant
sir.
clear. Joyjit, I think this is your first session. Jayant, Ganesh, Chinmay, Ashok, Akash. Okay, good. Okay, done with this one. Can we use the same method to cover this side member? What is this? Metal side member, outboard side member, inboard side member. This is anti-submarine tube. Everyone knows what is anti-submarine tube. We discussed this topic quickly. Chinmay,
Don't know,
Jayant,
sir.
no idea? Okay, I will explain. See,
No, sir.
if I take a section, where is the section? Mhm. Yeah, this is a section command. Okay, now if I take a section over here, it is something like this. Okay, now imagine here is your anti-submarine tube. Can you see this orange? Or let me hide this one. Hide this. See, this is your anti-submarine tube. Okay, let me try to change the color. Good, L1. Okay. So tell me, if occupant is seated like this, what we call it as mannequin? Yes or no? What is this? Everyone knows what is mannequin? A dummy body. A dummy body,
Yes,
we
sir.
call it as mannequin. Okay. So suppose this is mannequin. Okay. Okay. And this is the leg. Okay. Now, can you imagine in front impact, what will happen? What will happen in front impact? Any idea? This is H point. What will happen in front impact?
Force apply on submarine tube, sir.
Force will, okay. Mannequin will move forward or rear in front impact.
Forward, sir.
Your mannequin will move
Sir,
forward.
Forward,
forward.
forward.
Okay. So what do you think? What can be the purpose of this allo tube then? What is the purpose of allo tube? Anti-submarine tube.
Sir, it is work like torsion
Thigh
bar.
support.
Thigh support. Okay. Yes, Subhajit.
Sir, for supporting purpose.
Yeah, for supporting purpose. In which case, for the front impact. Okay. Front impact. What is this? Anti-submarine tube. Okay. So it will just resist the mannequin. Suppose mannequin will, if it is sliding, if he is sliding or moving forward in front impact, what he will, what this tube will do, and what will the purpose? It will just resist. It will hold the mannequin. If I click on Y, again Y, here you can see this is the tube. Okay, this is the rear area. Okay, and if I again draw the mannequin, it will be something like this. Yes or no? Yes, mannequin, your edge point will move
Yes, sir.
front side, so this tube will sustain, this will hold mannequin, and this angle we called it as anti-submarine area. This area we called it as anti-submarine area. Got it? Any doubt? Quickly, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So anyone can ask you, explain what is anti-submarine and what will happen in front impact, how it will work. Okay, so now we are done with, if I show the B tool, we have covered the rear tube. Here you can see the rear tube. This portion we have covered. We have covered the suspension area. Okay, now we will work on the side member. Okay, we will work on the side member. So how to work? What do you think? How can we cover the side member? If I insert one body, Alt IB, a position sketch again on the blue one, swap, say OK, cut section. What I will do, I will just, instead of projecting one by one, what I will do, I will just check. I will try to add, I will create a surface first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Done. Control 2, join. 0.03, dump, say OK. Where is our surface? Okay, it is inside IB bolster. So Alt IG, let's say B tool. I will create a new geometrical set, B tool. Let me change this geometrical set. Right click on the surface. Last option, change geometrical set. I want this surface in B tool geometrical set. Say OK. Now hide all geometrical set. No use. I got this surface. Hide the structure. Let me, what I will try to create a single curve like this. Okay. What I will try to create a single curve. So how can we create? Any idea? See what I will do. A position sketch in top plane like this. Swap, reverse like this. Say okay. What I will do now, I will just create one line. A line, one passing through the complete surface. See, my line will pass through the surface. Here you can see. Okay, clear? Then exit. I will use just a simple extrude. Any idea what I will do next? Next step, quickly. Next step.
Intersect.
Awesome, Ganesh.
Intersect.
Intersect. See, these are the shortcut. Okay, I will not just project one by one. Intersect. Good. Hide this one. Hide this one. Now what I will do again. Alt IB. Aha, new body. No, I think we have a new body over here. Okay, this one define. Control 1. Position sketch. Blue. Swap. Say okay. Now I will project this curve directly. See, select this one. Project. Got it? Yes or no? In one shot. If I show you the structure, here you can see. Cut section. Okay. Now, next point will be, what I will do. I will just, I want a center point of this one. So I will project any circle, uh, low light, normal view. Sorry, again normal. I don't want from backside. Isolate again. Construction and fix it. turn off the construction, select a circle, right click on it, concentricity. I will just draw a circle like this, which should be what I will do. I will just increase this one. Okay, we can't increase. Suppose if you can't increase a curve arc, what you can do, take a line, select the end point of the arc and right click on the arc, set tangency like this. Can we do like this? Yes or no? Without any sharp corner? Yes? Yes, no, quickly, any doubt?
Repeat,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Repeat, delete. See, I want to extend this arc. If I use trim, what happened? Yeah, if I use trim command, see it is not extending. Can you see? I'm not able to extend. Why? Because it is projected one. So can I do one thing? A line, click on the endpoint. Okay. Now I want this line should be tangent to this arc. So right click on this one, set tangency. Got it, Ashok?
Yes, sir.
Subhajit, clear? Prashant, Chinmay, Jayant,
Yes, sir.
Akash. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Constraint,
Yes, sir.
this line, this circle, right click tangency. See, I got tangency. Okay, done. Done with this side. Okay, so what about this one? Again, let's try to extra uh, trim. See, again, it is not working. So what I will do? I want to extend this curve. What should I do now? Quickly,
Tangent.
a line,
Line.
select the endpoint of this one, right click on this arc, say tangency. Done. Now, what we discuss in previous sketch, we'll put it in usual this one. We will project the rear limit and the bottom limit from the sketch. Project, again low light. Okay. Now, what we will do, we will draw a horizontal line like this, a rough horizontal line. I will make this line and this one tangent again. I will use trim this line till this one. I will draw a rough line from the front side. Again trim, again trim. I don't want this side arc, so I will use a quick trim. This side I don't want, this side we don't want, this side we don't want, this. Clear? Any doubt till this point, yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No? Okay, good. See, I can understand that. So how you are taking this projection? Just let me finish the B tool. Automatically you will get idea. Okay, sir, now I'm getting why you are projecting these things. Okay. Now tell me, we have drawn this sketch for which component? Suspension mat, rear tube or the side member? Yes,
Side memo.
side member. So what should be the pad value? Select this one, pad. I will just cover the side member, my side member like this. One. Okay. Then, so what should we limit to? Just pull this one and keep like this. Say okay. See, we are covered side member, yes or no? So shall we keep as it is or shall we apply draft? Yes, we should apply some draft. So from inside, draft will be maximum. So which will be the, what we can say, the neutral. See, most of the time you will have such type of faces and you will have to apply some draft. So in this case, what you will do, just offset this plane, downside. So it is 95. Remove this one, reverse direction. Say okay. Your plane should be like this. Say your plane should be cross something like this. Are you getting? Not not the upper one, not the lower one. It should be minimal. Why? Because I want this portion. It is important for me. So I will just keep my plane near to that one. What is the purpose of plane? What I will use? How I will use the plane? For,
Neutral.
yeah, for neutral element. Perfect. That's why what I will do, I will just click on X, again X. So here I can see one nut bolt. So what I will do, I will just double click on the plane. I will just move it down a little bit. Okay, done. Okay. Now I will define the body. Control 1. Let's apply some draft on this plane. Neutral will be my this plane. MTD. Pulling direction will be my this one MTD. Let's apply draft of 5 degree. Preview. Okay. Got it? Yes or no? Any doubt? Quickly. Any doubt?
Uh, Sir, I
Yes,
want
Ashok. Hmm.
doubts. Sir, initially we that surface created is there without extracting or
Hmm.
without isolate. Means directly we select surfaces and
Hmm.
apply directly join command. Is this
Yes.
correct, sir?
Yes. You can isolate that one. Here you can see the surface. Can you see it is isolated? So
Yes,
there
sir.
is no relation with this structure. Okay?
Okay. And without extracting, apply
Hmm.
we apply join command. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. It is not mandatory. You can extract, then you can apply join. No issue. Otherwise, what you can do, you can just hold the control button and you can select like this: one, two, three, four, like this. So instead of selecting one by one, what I have done, I just created one join, a single surface. I have used by drawing this vertical surface. I use intersection. Got it? In one shot, I got the complete profile.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so this is done. Okay. Now, if you notice, let me hide this one. Let me check the surface. What do you think? If you want, if you have the cushion in your hand and if you want to assemble that cushion on this structure, you will insert it from bottom side or the top side. How will you assemble the cushion? How will you assemble the cushion on the structure?
From top side.
From top side, correct? Means see,
Yes, sir.
you you have the cushion something like this in your hand. Okay, this is the insert and this is the bolster. Okay, you will just put it downside like this. Okay, now here you can see this is a single face. Okay, and this is a face. Tell me, the cushion will touch this face or the inner face? Tell me. Let me change the color. Let make it as green and this as a white color. Tell me on which face cushion will be in contact. Cushion will be in contact with which faces? Green or white? See, this is clear that it will rest on this surface. This one. Mhm. This one. It is clear that cushion will rest on the blue one. Yes or no? Everyone agree? Cushion foam will rest on the blue surface. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me for the vertical faces on which surface it will be in contact.
Green one, sir.
Green. If you notice, see the white surface is inside. Yes or no? It is inside in metal structure. This is the outer surface. Yes.
Yes.
So what I will do, see, let me, I think this is my first sketch, okay? I will first edit the first sketch, just a minute. Cut section. For the front limit, okay? For the front limit. You remember we had decided the rear limit and the lower limit. Here you can see the rear limit. Right click, hold, fix. We had decided the rear limit, these two, but we have not finalized the front limit. So let's decide front limit. So how to decide? This is the side member. Here you can see the side member. Just draw a line like this. That's it. Shit. Just a minute. It is in construction. A line, horizontal. See, in most of the project, it will change as per the requirement, as per the structure. Okay, so don't, what you can say, don't learn the steps. Okay, just try to understand and try to imagine. Okay, so what I'm doing, say, trim. Where is trim command? This one, and this one. Let me check with the style. Okay, no issue. Exit. Now here you can see this was my first sketch, yes or no? This was my first sketch. See center graph, pad 1, sketch 6. Right click update, define this one, update, see done. Define this one, updated. What happened to this body? Okay, sketch is open, I think. Double click on the sketch. Again, just project the front portion. Put it in usual. Select this line as well as this line. Don't select from the 3D, just select from the sketch. Here you can see once I select the line, see sketch is highlighting. That means I'm selecting from the sketch like this. Project, exit, right click L. Now I think everything will be updated. Control S. Okay, done. Any doubt till this point? Please confirm. So why you have extended in front area? Just give me 5-10 minutes. You will get idea why I extended. Okay. Now this is the bolster. Right click L. It is also updated. Updated. Done. What I will do, I will just extend this body little bit on this side. Update. Right click L. Again extend this one also. Right click, double click on it. Limit 1. Update. Move this one and say update. Right click L. Control S. Now see. Let's draw a sketch from the top side. Okay. Hide everything. Hide this one also. Define the last body and again Alt IB. Don't show this body. Hide it. Position sketch. Blue top plane like this. Swap. Reverse. V. Say okay. See what I will do. I will select the extreme surface. This one and this one. Agree yes or no? The foam will touch green faces. Yes or no? Yes, Jayant, Subhajit, Ashok. low light, isolate this thing, trim, okay, extend this one, trim, extend, okay, it is not extending, no issue. I'll just extend this limit, okay, I will extend it on rear side, okay, see what I will do. I will draw a tangent line like this, right click, tangency, something like this. Can I do like this? We just learn this method. Right click, fix this limit, trim this line with this one. Okay, now let's close the sketch from this one, move on this side, upside, like this, coming down and close the sketch. Escape. Exit. What I will do, again I will use pad like this. Okay, don't extend the body unnecessarily, otherwise draft command will fail. Okay, just keep something like this. Now again we have the same plane. I can apply a small draft of 1 degree. Draft on this one, on this one, on this one. Neutral will be this plane. MTD will be this one, pulling direction. Draft will be of 1 degree. Upside or downside? It will be downside. Why? Because I'm going to remove this body. Okay, I'm going to remove this body. Remove. Oh, sorry, say okay. No issue. Not working. No issue. Let's keep this MTD. No issue. Okay. Then put it in soft mode. Here you can see after in smooth mode, here you can see some sharp edge. Let's apply fillet of 15 or 20 on this one and this one. Say okay. Now say what I will do. This is your final B tool, yes or no? Let's increase this pad. That's why I said I mentioned increase your pad. It should cross. Okay, now focus everyone. See, we have created this green body, yes or no? We have created, where is our booster? This one is my booster. I will just add this in. Booster means the side member body. I'll just add this in final B tool. Can you see the green body is all positive bodies, yes or no? And the blue body will be the negative body, yes or no? What do you think? These are all positive bodies we have created. If you want all this body in a new body, what you can do, just select all by holding shift button, right click, last option, insert in new. Everything will be inside a new body. You can rename this body as a positive, yes or no? And this will be a negative. What will happen if I remove blue body from the green one? Define your final B tool. Define your final B tool. Remove. Right click on negative, say remove. Enter. Tell me what happened. See, what happened? You got a proper cutout, yes or no? You got a proper cutout like this. Are you getting now what we have done? Why we have removed a body from the top view like this? Yes, no, Prashant, Ashok, Chinmay, Subhajit,
Yes, sir.
Jayant, Ganesh, are you there?
Sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
now let me hide this one structure. See, we have created all this body, hide this patch for now. Okay, now here I can see one sharp edge. Right click center graph. Inside this body, define this body, hide the blue. Can apply a fillet toward the sharp edge. Let's apply fillet of 15, 50, 50. Okay, now again, here you can see one body, right click center graph. Define this body. Can I apply a fillet on this and this face? Or can I do one thing, just define this one, right click L. Can I provide, if I show the structure, this one, apply a fillet of, let's say, 6 mm. Okay, on the B tool, it is a rule. Okay, it is a rule of design. On B tool, never apply fillet less than 5 or 6 mm. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, yes, sir.
never apply fillet less than 5 or 6 mm. Fillet. Now just what I'm trying, I'm just closing the, we are just applying the fillet. So I want to apply the fillet on this one. So I can center grab this body. This is my pad one. Can I apply fillet directly over here? Let's apply fillet of 6 mm or 8 mm. No issue. It is very sharp. So instead of 6, you can apply 20 mm. Again, same. Double click on this one. Add this in the same fillet. Okay, done. Define, update. This is a fillet. I can apply fillet on this one. Let's say 6 mm. Done. Again, apply fillet over here 6 mm. Enter. On this edge 6, 6. Here instead of 6, I can apply 20 mm. Why? Because it is what it, the angle is bigger. Here you can see. Okay, it is not working. Cancel, cancel. Let's reduce, make it 10. 20 is not working, make it 10. Enter. 10 is working good. Now this one again 6. On this one, you can double click. You can add this in this one directly. If you notice, I'm not applying after remove. Okay, I'm applying in positive body. Apply this as 6. Okay, before this one, I will have to clear this area first. So apply.
Hello, sir. There is no doubt, sir.
Yes, Prashant.
Sir, uh, in the B tool, sir, if we are applying the fillet a minimum 5, right, sir?
5 or 6. Yes.
If there is a no edge which is a taking, if it is not taking a 5 radius,
Huh.
then what will be
In
the
that,
option for that?
yeah, in that case, you can apply. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In
Okay.
that case, you can apply, but try to keep more than 5, 6 mm. Why? As said in last session, we discussed if you are creating a sharp corner. See, if you are applying a fillet of 1 2 mm, this is PU. Okay. The material is PU. In the baking process, the PU will not get filled up in that corner. Are you getting? You will
Yes.
get a
Yes.
air bubble. That's why. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Here, please notice where I'm defining. I have defined positive, then I'm adding the fillets. I'm not adding fillet after remove. Okay. So let's apply some fillet in this area as well. I think it will be from backside also. Yes. Okay. Good. Again 6. Good. See, 6 is not possible. Okay, it is possible. Good. Again 6. Okay. Let's apply 5. Let's apply 4. Enter. Let's apply 3. Got it, Prashant?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, so why you applied fillet in this area first? Because now I will get a fillet of 6 mm continuous. Okay. Also we will apply fillet on the top area over here. Then I will remove this top sketch. See, it is removed now. Let's apply a fillet of 6 mm again. See, I will not apply fillet of 6 mm. Why? If you apply the fillet of 6 mm here, you can see metal is coming out. So I will just reduce this value, make it 5. No. So make it 4. Yeah, 4 is okay. Clear? Okay,
Yes, sir.
done. So what is this then? The metal is coming out from this area. This is again mechanism. So what should we do now? Just add some bodies now. So how can we add? You can add directly. Alt I B. See, my method is what I will do. I will not create a rough body. What I will do here, I will take a rough point. Suppose this is a circle. I will create a point, center arc, this one. Say OK. Right click, isolate. No relation with the structure. OK. I will put one axis system on that point. Say OK. Now body is already added, empty body. A position sketch in this portion or position sketch on this one. Swap. Say OK. What I will do? Cut section. What I will do? See, a profile 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Escape. Trim. Exit. Pad. Reverse. OK. Apply. We will need some clearance. Okay, so that's why I will just pull this limit to little bit. We will need some clearance. Again, what I mentioned, always we will apply some draft. Okay, let's apply draft of 1 of 5 degree. Let's keep this as a neutral, no issue. Say okay. See, this is foam. Okay, draft should be reverse. Okay, it is, I think, downside. Where is the arrow? Where is the arrow? Pulling direction will be this face. Yeah, like this. Say okay. Again, fillet 6, 6. Make it 6. Say okay. Again 6. I will add it. I will define over here. I will add this one. Sorry, not remove. Add. Enter. Again apply fillet of 6 mm. Done. Now let's try to apply. Now everything will be a single body. See what I will do. I want all this thing in a new body. So select first, hold the shift button, select last, right click, last option, insert in new. Enter. What happened? Okay. So I got assemble and remove in one body, but these commands are over here. So let's reorder. Right click, last option, reorder after remove. Say OK. OK. Add, right click, last option, reorder after fillet. Say OK. Right click, last option, reorder after add. Say OK. Now here, if you notice, everything is inside body 17. And body 17 is assembled with your final B tool. So why you added this everything inside one body? Because I want to apply one mirror. I will define assemble to. I will apply mirror, any plane, center plane, say OK. Control S. What is this? We called it as B tool. Okay, this is we called it as B tool. Now here you can see final cushion, and here you can see the B tool. So what is the purpose of B tool? Alt I B, right click O. This will be the final cushion. Okay, and let me reach final cushion, right click O with B tool. This is final cushion with B tool, empty body. Add your final cushion, enter. Remove your B tool. Here you can see final cushion is added. Right click, last option say remove, enter. See what happened. What happened from the bottom side? Just a minute. Let me hide this one. Got it? Yes or no? What we have done? We have just removed the B tool from the cushion. Clear? Now you got it. Why why what is the reason behind the 25 mm, Ganesh? We got this as 25, more than 25. Yes or no? Minimum material condition.
Yes, sir.
And also you remember while deciding the rear limit, what we are done, what we did. See, the rear limit surface was something like this, which was something 25 mm like this. Yes or no? And
Yes, sir.
also we this as a circle, we have created one horizontal line again. This was also something 10 or 15 mm. Remember? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now if I show you the structure, let me change the color of the structure, make it yellow. Yellow no. Which color we have from the bottom? Green. Okay, make it yellow. Yellow. Mhm. Right click, last option. See, I am just trying to apply some color to this geometry set, but it is not applying on the complete surface. So what I will do, right click, last option, reset property. Apply this one, apply to children. Say okay. It will reset the property of geometry set. Then I will select geometry set. Then let's try to apply some color. Yellow. Got it? Control S. Clear? Okay. Now see what I will do. Define this final. This is your final. Okay. Define. Right click L. Now let's take a product, new product, say OK, Windows vertical, copy this, paste it. We have two products, close one, maximize, no need of this one, hide. Take a section, this one, maximize the window or Windows vertical, hide this one. We have the section product window and the section window, okay? Vertical. Are you getting yes or no? See, the foam is close to the vertical face. It is resting on the side member, yes or no? Let me cut this one. See, on the suspension mat, foam is resting properly, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, side
Yes,
member,
sir.
foam is resting. If I move the section, here you can see. So what is this? This is a clash. Yes, we will remove some body again. See, on suspension mat, can you see the circles of suspension mat section? Foam is resting. See, from the bottom side, put it in soft mode again. Got it, Jayant, Chinmay,
Yes, sir.
Ashok? What is the purpose? Why we
Yes,
were
sir.
projecting the top surface? How the foam will rest on the structure? If I go into positioning again, if I select Y, see the Y section. Foam is resting on the rear tube. It is resting on the suspension mat, suspension wire. See, clear? Yes or no? Any doubt? You can ask.
The purpose of B tool.
Purpose of beetle this one. Foam should rest on the structure. Yes, Ganesh.
Okay.
Sir, why it is named as a B tool? Why not it is
A
A, C, or D?
B side. It is B side. Got it?
Okay, okay, sir. I got it, got it. Sir.
Again, any questions? Quickly. So, what is material minimum material condition? Ganesh, tell me where is the minimum material condition now? In which area? If you notice, this is the portion minimum material condition. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So let's check measurement. Any surface to surface, surface only. Inner surface with outer surface. What is the material thickness?
10.3.
10. So it can be okay or it can be not okay. Okay, we will have to discuss this point with our client. Okay, what do you think? Can we modify, yes or no? What do you think? Instead of 10, can we make it 15 mm? Tell me. What will be the thought process? What will be the thought process? Here we have 10 mm. You will highlight this point in your presentation. So after modification, after B-tool removal from the closed volume, we are getting 10 mm in this portion. So how will you solve the problem? Yes.
We have to give a presentation on this by in the PPT.
Yeah.
Saying that it is a minimum material condition.
Hmm.
So either we need to compromise in the A side offset, which we have.
Hmm.
Uh,
Okay.
I think it is 3.5. So either we
Huh.
need to compromise in that,
Hmm.
or we need to accept this. Like this, we
Yeah.
can give a proposal for this. If client accept the outer side reducing the thickness,
Hmm.
so we can maximize the material condition. If
Okay.
not, he will suggest anything. Either he will
Hmm.
accept this condition.
Okay. Good. Good. Tell me, can we add material from inner side? Is it possible?
No, sir.
To avoid this, instead of 10 mm, I want 15 mm. So can we add 5 mm material from inside? Others, Prashant is saying no. Others, Prashant, Patil, Ashok, Akash, Chinmay, Ganesh, Jayant, Raja. Others 6, Shweta. Sorry, I'm not getting iron names. Yes, Sachin, Subhajit. What do you think? If I show you the style as well, here is our style. Okay, so this side we have not checked the STO. Okay, so let's take this side. Let's check from this side, okay?
I think, sir, we can work in style. No?
We
If
can
we
work
can
where?
style, sir. If we can increase your thickness,
Hmm.
so we can work in a style.
Means how will you work, Jayant?
I think we can work like a surface.
Hmm.
After that, we can you. I think after we can uh, do the B surface.
Means
Okay. We,
you will modify the A surface, then you will take the offset for the bolster close volume, correct?
yeah. This is my point because हम
Hello.
या था जो हमारा जो प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर है ना मेटल
Hmm.
स्ट्रक्चर
Hmm.
आई थिंक दिस इज अ फिक्स्ड स्ट्रक्चर ठीक है
Hmm.
and they can't change and they can't reordering. So
Huh.
firstly, we can work in a style. So
Hmm.
if we can mold form, so we can work in a style. Then after that, we can do the they can require 15 and 20 so
Hmm.
they can work. Yeah.
Perfect. This is a good thought process. Okay. So what do you think? Instead of this arc, see we have minimum material condition issue in this portion. Okay. So instead of this boundary, can we do one thing? If I modify the surface, if I request to modify the surface, let me change the color. If I ask to modify the surface, something like this, will it work? Yes or no? Tell me. Will it work?
Yes, sir.
See, what I will do, I will just change this portion. Are you getting? My new surface will be something like this. It will solve my issue, yes or no? Rest will remain
Yes,
as it
sir.
is, no change. I will just move the lower curve. Got it? Jayant, Prashant.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this will be my 5 mm extra. Right now uh, I have 10 mm I think. So this will be my extra 5 mm after surface modification. As Jayant mentioned, so we will first do calculation. So we will have to check the gap between the style and our structure. If it is 15 mm and after offset, let's say the offset is 4 mm. So after offset and if we remove the B tool, it will be 11 mm, yes or no? Yes or no? The gap
Yes,
between
sir.
the style and the metal structure is 15 mm. We'll have to take the offset of the leather thickness is 4 mm. So after 4 mm offset and once we remove the B side means B tool, we'll get 11 mm thickness. So no use. So once you receive the style, you should check this point also. Just check whether the style is going close to the metal structure or not. Good, Jayant. Cancel. Change. See, to change window, what I'm using, Control Tab, okay? The shortcut is Control Tab. Let me hide this one. Hide the style. Here you will have to apply fillets, okay? Here you can see the sharp corner, okay? So don't keep any sharp corner. Let's apply fillet of 20, 20, okay. So where will be the parting line? This will be the 6 mm again. This will be a parting line, okay? For the foam, this will be a parting line. I will explain. So how? In next session, we will discuss. This line will be a parting line. Are you getting yes or no? Yes, this will be your parting line. First, we will work on the trench. We will remove trench. We will design the spoilers. Then I will explain you how will be the parting line. Okay? Any doubt? See, anyhow, we will need parting line. Yes or no? It is the what you can say the baking process. After baking process, we will have the partition of upper and the lower portion.
हेलो सर।
Yes, Jayant.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि जब आप हम जब बी आफ्टर जब फॉर्म हमारा कंप्लीट हो जाता है, देन जब बी कटर के बाद जो हमारा जो इनर स्ट्रक्चर होता है, तो वी कैन यूज द हार्डनर फॉर दिस मटेरियल या वी कैन यूज द सेम मटेरियल यू।
No, no. Please repeat. Please repeat.
मतलब मैं कहने कहने का मतलब है सब आपका जो फॉर्म बेक हो जाता है
Hmm.
किसी भी मतलब इन डाई के अंदर, तो
Hmm.
आफ्टर दैट हम जो जो हमारा बैक का जो सरफेस है जो बी कटर है, इस पर
हाँ.
हम कोई हार्डनर मटेरियल यूज करते हैं कि ओनली पी जो ओरिजिनल मटेरियल जो बनाते हैं हम फॉर्म वही यूज करते हैं?
Okay. Okay,
बिकॉज
okay.
ना जो
I think
मोस्टली
no, I think you're on wrong page. Okay, let me explain, Jayant. See, I think your thought process is we will have first close volume, then we will remove this material from the foam. Yes or no? Like this?
नो सर, नो 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 नो
Okay.
सर। सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि जब ये पूरा जो स्ट्रक्चर डिजाइन करते हैं,
Hmm.
सर आई थिंक ये पूरा पूरा स्ट्रक्चर एक डाई के अंदर डिजाइन होता होगा, मतलब डाई
Yes.
ढूंढते हैं, उसके फॉर्म डालते हैं, देन आफ्टर दैट वी
S-
कैन रिमूव द होल स्ट्रक्चर।
See, yeah,
या
just a minute. Just a minute. See, die will be something like this. This is your lower portion. Okay. Then this will be your sorry. There will be two block. First one will be the lower one. This is your first block. Okay. Okay. This is your first block with B tool. And the second block will be this one. Suppose it is open. Okay. It is open. Okay. Here you will have the impression of the A style. Are you getting? Here you will have the impression of A style like this. Are you getting yes or no? This will the
यस
bolster.
सर।
This will be the insert. Again, this will the bolster. Insert. Okay. So it will be something like this. Are you getting, Jayant?
यस सर।
So what they will do here, you will have some towers. For what? For the clipping, wire holding purpose. Yes or no? We discussed this topic. Now what they will do? They will pour the PU. Suppose this is your PU. They will pour in this portion. They will pour in this portion. They will pour in this portion. They will pour in the rear area. Then they will close. They will close this cap. Are you getting?
यस सर।
This is the hinge. It is a case. They will close it and they will keep it for baking process. Got it? So what is this? This is our A style surface, milling surface, and this is our B side milling surface. Can you imagine Ganesh, Ashok, Jayant, Prashant,
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Raja,
Yes, sir.
Shweta? Okay. On this tower, they will keep the wire. On this small towers, they will hold the wire. Now, can you imagine how will be the wire inside the foam after baking process?
यस सर।
Any other doubt? Jayant, you got your answer, or do you want to ask something different?
नहीं सर, मेरा डिफरेंट था सर। मेरा
Hmm?
जब टोटल पूरा जो हमारा जो प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो जाता है,
Okay, okay.
after complete the process for baking all of us, so हम
Hmm.
सर इस पर पीयू के बाद कोई डिफरेंट मटेरियल यूज करते हैं उसका उसको हार्डनिंग करने के लिए मुझे पूछा था आपसे।
No, 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 no. We have some density of for the PU. Okay. As per
तो
the
सर वो मोल
requirement in project, we control the hardness of the foam with respect to density. If we control the density of the PU, we can control the hardness of the foam. So we will never do any extra process on the foam. Okay.
ओके ओके सर ओके
Yeah, we will have the wire inside the foam. Some see, it is not mandatory that in all project we will use the wire. In most cases, we will use wire. Otherwise, we will use some butterfly clips. So what is butterfly clips? It will be something like this. See, suppose this is butterfly clip. We will have some holes. We will have a holding feature over here. What it? Sometimes shape will be something like this. Are you getting yes or no?
यस सर
We call it as butterfly clips. If I draw a view from this side, it will be something like this. See, one, two, remove this one. It will be something like this. Got it? The front view and the top view.
यस सर
So what is the purpose? So instead of wire, they will place the butterfly clips. Okay. Where they will place on the towers. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. On this portion, they will have butterfly clips like this. One, two, three. So instead of wire, if we have butterfly clips, anyhow in our trim there will be one wire. The wire will lock in this portion. Are you getting yes or no? Wire will lock in this portion.
यस सर
Wire of trim, okay? Wire of trim will be locked in butterfly clips. So what is the use of these holes? Any idea what is the purpose of these holes? What can be the purpose of the hole? Simple logic.
To accommodate wire.
Two? No, no, these holes, Sachin. These holes. One, two, three, four, five, six.
Rejecting pins.
No. Simple. What is the purpose of a loop? What is the purpose of the loop on the end of the wire? Ashok? Others?
To hold wires,
To hold
foam.
wire. Yeah, to hold the wire inside the foam. So what is the purpose of this hole? Again the same, to hold this clip inside the foam. Yes or no? If you have the holes, here will be PU. Yes or no? PU will pass through these holes. So we will get the proper grip. Are you getting? Can you imagine? Yes. Jayant?
Yes, sir.
Ganesh?
यस सर
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
good. So let's define over here. Done. Control S. So we had done with the close volume. We are done with the B tool. See the B tool what we have created, it is very simple. Okay, it is very simple. So what about this clash? We have minor clash. Let me hide this one. This clash again. I think we will have. Let's check in product. Double click on the section. I'm in product now. Double click on the section. Okay, try to use this. Okay, how many of you know this tool, sectioning in DMS space analysis? Quickly.
No, sir.
No. Sachin, Jayant, you know how to use this tool?
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
Okay. So, see, Ashok and others,
Yes, sir.
delete this one. Let me explain again. What you have to do, same like DMS space analysis, take a new product and just copy paste the file. Now, here you can see the second tool, sectioning. Click on it. You will get one section window and the plane window, this one, in which you can move the section plane. Windows vertical. Can you see? If you move this plane, hold it and move it, the section will also move. See, it is moving. Okay. In if you click on the positioning, you'll get the section X, Y, Z. Click on Y. Now it is a Y section. Here you can see the red box. You can just hold it and enlarge the box size. You can move the section like this. If you want to cut, over here, go to definition and apply on the section. Volume cut. Click on it. You'll get a cut. If you want to take the Z cut section, click on positioning again. Click on Z. So it is now in Z. So what is this X, Y and Z? It is with respect to compass. Z cut means perpendicular to Z axis. X cut means perpendicular to X. Can you see this X on the compass? Y means Y perpendicular to Y. Okay. Now suppose if I want to take a section normal to this sharp edge, what I will do, go to sectioning, click on the second button, geometrical target, click on it, and just keep your plane. Can you see on the pointer you are getting one plane? Click on the sharp edge. You will get a perpendicular to the sharp edge. Again, let's try. Activate this one on the sharp edge. You will have to hold the pointer properly, okay? Like this. Suppose I want to take a section parallel to this surface. Again, activate this one and click on this surface. See, I got a section parallel to that surface. Got it, Ashok? Others?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose if you don't want white color, fill color in this view, go to result, click on the bucket. See, you will get a line section. So can I measure some dimension? Yes. Zoom. Don't close the section, keep it open. Where is the measuring tool? Yeah, this one. Measuring tool. Edge only. Edge only. From this edge. Okay, it is not working. Okay. What happened? Any geometry, this one, and the picking point, this one. Okay, not working again. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's move the section a little bit. Now let's try again. in geometry edge only. Okay, it is not working. Let's cancel and take a new section. Okay, sometime there will be some error due to catia. Okay, positioning Y, vertical window. I don't want color, so go to result, click on bucket. Now let me try again. Section measurement, any geometry. Now see it is working. Any geometry. Sorry. In section selection one mode it is edge only, and selection two mode is picking point. So edge only and the picking point. Got it? It is working now. 11 mm. 11 mm. If you want to measure the center of this tube till this one, let's try to take any geometry. In any geometry, we'll select this one. Okay, it is not giving me the center. No issue. Let's take edge only and edge only from this edge till this edge. This is a minimum distance of 10 mm. Like this, you can measure. Any doubt? Got it? Ashok, how to use this tool?
Yes, sir.
Others, Control S. Your left hand should be on keyboard. If you want to be a pro designer, left hand should be on keyboard. Use shortcut Control Tab to switch the window. Control Tab. See, I'm in product now. Control Tab. I'm in section. Control Tab. I'm in part design again. Hide this one. Any issue? Any doubts? Quickly. Yes. Any doubt? Ashok, Chinmay. Chinmay.
No.
No. Okay. Rahul, any doubt? Subhajit, Shweta.
No, sir.
No. Akash, Ganesh.
No, sir.
Akash, have you completed the insert, front insert and bolster? Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So till tomorrow, what you have to do? Close the second side bolster. I think outboard is not completed. Where is the style? Outboard is not completed on your side. Just complete the outboard close volume and start your B tool. Okay. Start your B tool. Okay. Clear? Jayant, Prashant, both Prashant.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is DMU product? DMU product means suppose you have received the STO, you have completed with the offset close volume. You have designed the B tool, you have removed the B tool from the close volume. You have designed the trenches, windows, you have removed it again from the final close volume. After that, you have also designed the wire. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so after once you remove the trenches from the close volume, you will design the wire. After suppose you have finished all tasks. Okay, then what is your task? Your task is to run the DMU. What is DMU? Means the kinematics. You will have to check with the kinematics. See what we have in kinematics. In this one, here you can see it is completely the manual set. It is not a power set. So you will have to check with the backrest tilt. You will have to check with the HA. Here you can see we have HA. What is HA? Can you see this HA mechanism? What is HA? What is HA?
Height adjuster.
Height adjuster, yes. So you will have to check with height adjuster. You will have to check with the side cover. Can you see this tube? Tube not, it is not a tube, it is a wire. Can you see this wire? I don't think it is visible. And these are in surface, so I can't change the color. Yeah, now is it visible? The wire. It is a metal wire.
Yes, sir. It will be done.
Yes. Remember everyone, in side cover surfacing practice, we had one wire. Ashok, remember? We had one wire in that file. Yes,
No, sir.
not
This
remember.
Yes, sir.
In
desktop.
side cover, close volume. Okay, I think
Yes, sir.
the side cover. We have work on the side cover like this. Remember, we have some switches over here. I think no idea. Okay, no issue.
Yes.
Okay, so in that file we had that wire. So what is the purpose of this wire? The wire is welded on the side member. This is metal side member. Wire is already welded on the side member. If you notice, see, got it? So wire is welded on the side member. On this area it is welded. Uh, Again, here it is welded. Here you can see. Again, here it is welded. Okay. So what is the purpose of wire? The purpose of wire to just takes it means we will take support for the side cover. Side cover, we will lock the side cover on this wire. Got it, Sachin, Raja, Ganesh? Yes,
Yes, sir.
that's why we have learned design of hook,
Yes, sir.
locator. Hook is very important for this one.
This wire also should clash to avoid clash with foam.
The
Miss,
suspension wire.
no, no. Previously we discussed this wire
Yes,
in.
yes, yes, yes. It should we should avoid clash.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. See, there should be no clash with foam. That's it. Okay. Only we will accept one clash. Which one? The biting area. What is biting? Again. See, again, Raja, Ganesh, Akash, Sachin. We have two type of we have biting in valence cover also. In side cover also we have biting. You remember this biting? Yes or no? This is a cushion line, and here we will have backrest. Yes, and this portion we called as biting. Yes or no? 5 mm biting, 5, 6, 7 mm biting. This is biting. Okay. Again, the second biting is the biting between the side cover and the cushion. Means if I show you the cushion like this in X, no, I want one section in X, double click on the section, Windows, tile vertical, position X like this. If I draw, where is my OB side? I think this is my OB side, okay? Mechanism. So suppose this is your valence cover, okay? Yes, Sachin, Raja, this is your side cover, okay? So in this portion, we will have biting. So if I zoom properly, so why we need biting in that area? Suppose this is your side cover, okay? You will keep intentional clash between the foam and the side cover, okay? Can you see the minor clash? The clash will be of 2 mm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the clash will be of 2 mm. This is 2 mm. Any idea what is the purpose of clash? See, this is a
To
foam,
avoid
okay?
gap.
This is a foam. Okay, this is a foam. Let me again correct. This will be the side cover. Okay, this is a side cover. And suppose this is your trim. This is your trim, yes or no? Some offset value. This will be your leather or what we can say the fabric. We will keep this clash of 2 mm. Why? With the fabric. Yes, Ashok.
To avoid sir gap between them.
Awesome.
To,
Perfect. 2 mm clash. Perfect. To avoid gap, visible gap. Okay.
yes, sir.
Or we call it as rat hole. Okay. No rat hole. Any doubt? Any doubt? How was the session, everyone? How's the session?
Good, sir.
Good. S-
Good, sir.
yeah. So we have covered the question B2. Okay. I think in next 2-3 sessions we will finish the trench, spoilers, and wire. That's it. We'll finish it. Okay. Means this week we will finish cushion. Next week again we will start some project. If you want to work on that file shared by Raja, you can work it on work. You can work on that file. No issue. Yellow
Yes,
is
sir.
your surface which is matching with blue, and the brown one is the offsetted surface. Now, what I will do, right click on the yellow, okay, replace, I want to replace yellow by brown. Select brown, say okay. See arrows are on same direction. Say okay. Hide this one, hide this, hide this, hide this, hide this. Where is your final one? Final close volume. This one, right click L, right click L. Done.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, initially, how to find this surface in history? Uh,
Okay, initially how to find the history, surface in
I-
history.
Surface in history.
Done, say done, 2.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how to find out? Control Z, Control C, Control Z. Okay, here I can see this is your what we can say the final close volume. Okay, and this is the input HR headrest. Okay, this is your final. What you have done one mistake. This patch is not offsetted. Okay, here you can see it is matching. That means this is not match. So what I want this patch, the original patch what you use in your
Sir,
complete.
the screen,
Sorry, hello,
screen sir, pause with me.
hello, Ashok, your voice is breaking. Hello.
Yes, sir.
वाला जो रिप्लेस किया
Hmm.
वो सरफेस आपने एक ही जगह रिप्लेस किया, अगर वो जो सरफेस आपने यूज किया उसका वो मल्टीपल ऑपरेशंस रहते आगे
हाँ.
आगे की साइड में,
Hmm.
तो वो एक ही जगह रिप्लेस करके सब जगह वो पूरा यानी नया वाला सरफेस आ जाता था क्या
Yes,
ऑफसेट
yes,
सरफेस के थ्रू?
yes. See,
जितने भी
depends.
ऑपरेशन सेपरेट सेपरेट हुए होंगे तो भी?
Yes. See, suppose this is your history. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this. Okay. Now this is your master surface. Okay, this is your master surface, or let's say this is your surface. Now where, okay, see
ये तो
Rahul,
कल भी बता सकते हैं, कोई issue
uh, mm, in next session we will start from this topic. Okay. Okay then. Any issue? Shall we stop? Okay.
Yes. Yes,
Okay
sir.
then.
Yes.
Thank
Okay,
you
sir.
all.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
Bye.
sir.
Good
Good
Thank
night,
you.
night.
sir.
Good night,
Good
sir.
night.
Good night, sir.
Good night
Good
all.
night, sir.
Bye.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night, Ganesh.